Hello guys! Thank you for the love you showed to my chickens. I have made 2 videos, 2 tutorials, free pattern, smaller chicken, larger chicken. And everyone asked me how to make eggs. So these chickens when you watch any video like this little cow, please click on Hobbicrochet icon, there it is, and then you will click videos and scroll it down. Those are chicken, potato, bees, pumpkins, bags, turtles, and lots more. So enjoy, don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and maybe share with your friends some of my ideas. I'm sure they would love it. You will find lots more tutorials, lots more other toys. I've made toys, quite a lot of them. Some of them very easy for beginners, some of them are more difficult. Please check it out, subscribe to my channel. This all helps me grow well, and it will help me to make more free tutorials for you. And today we are making an egg. Let's put them away. I will be using, I don't know, my child did something terrible to this hook. It is 6mm crochet hook. Any suitable hook will work for your chosen yarn. And I've got a little bit left of this white yarn, so we will make the egg. You need just maybe 3 grams of this yarn, if I may find the end. Again, you may start with chain 2 method. You can start with amigurumi circle. As this is for beginners, let's start with chain 2. Slip knot, chain 1, chain 2, and then in the first chain stitch I will be making 9 single crochets. There you go. And I don't know which one is my first stitch, this one or that one, so what I usually do, I count. Take the hook out and count from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you can't see it, let's count using our fingers, so you will feel it, which stitch you counting. 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this little one is 9. So let's go under those 2 loops. It is slightly hidden because 8 may be a little bit too much in this one stitch. If you feel it's too much, make 9, but I want to make 8, but I want to make 9. So, and I will just keep going for round 2, 9 single crochets, 1 stitch, or 1 single crochet in 1 stitch. I'm trying to find stitch marker. There you go. Lots of people were asking where I've got those stitch markers, especially from the video where I did snake. If you haven't seen my snake, please check it out. And those are not really stitch markers, but I'm using it for my yarn. They are what you put on a wine glass. Those are from Christmas collection, and this is got broken slightly. This was my little doggy, my favorite stitch marker, but then a child dropped it. They are like glass, made of glass, and I love them very much. Alright, so this is my first stitch, and let's keep going. 1 single crochet in each stitch, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it should be one more, 9, and I reached my stitch marker. You take it off, make one more single crochet in this stitch, and I lost my stitch. So if you lose your stitch, you just try to look for it again. This was in this stitch, and you need the next one. I'm losing the stitch because it's quite hard when you're filming. You need to look both sides what you are filming, that you don't lose the quality and you don't lose your stitch. So sorry about that. Insert the stitch marker back, the same first stitch, and make for third round 9 single crochets. I've made one, so keep going. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And round 4, will be the same, 9 single crochets, 1 in each stitch. There you go. I have made 9. I feel that this is good size egg. Of course you could have made it like the proper egg shape, small amount of stitches here and maybe more there, but I felt that as for beginners we want to minimize all this decrease pattern and everything and make it more simple. So there you go. 4 rounds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9 stitches. Literally that's it. And when you cut the yarn, pull. I want to put a little bit of stuffing. You don't need much, just a bit. Maybe a little bit more. There you go. And then how to finish amigurumi. This is amigurumi, and we need to finish it. You can use the needle, or you can use the hook. So let me show you. You go inside, picking front loop of this stitch, going like this. So we're going around each stitch. If you've got the needle handy, it would be exactly the same. I prefer to do it with the hook. And you can see which stitch you have weaved through, because this is, I can see the beginning. So one last stitch, and then this is like reverse magic loop, magic circle. You just pull. Of course, you pull this if the yarn allows. Some yarn, like yarn art, I know wouldn't let you do this, it would just snap. So you will have to alter this, maybe to get the needle and just stitch the opening, or maybe to do decrease. This yarn I'm happy about, and it works very well. It is quite solid. It is the cheap one as well. So I like this yarn, and it works very well. So nice little egg. Hide the tail. If you've got little bit this one, like the hole, yeah, maybe I stuffed it too much, maybe I made it too bigger, too large stitch. So this is what you do. Just run your yarn through. This can happen with any amigurumi, not just with egg. If you see that some large opening, yeah, large stitch, maybe you were distracted or you just moved away or whatever, you just run this tail through and it will cover those holes. Nice and easy. And that's it. This is little egg for my chicken.